let us now take a look at how we can update the existing data in our table. Okay, so right here, let us go in here. MySQL is still running. MySQL and Apache servers are still running. As you can see, they are running. And inside here, let me go. So here, when I try to access the MySQL admin panel, and then I go inside, let me zoom out a little bit so that you see everything clearly. So here, inside here, we have the test database. Then inside the test database, we have a table called users. And in the users table, we have this data, okay? We have this data. It is right here. As you can see here, it is right here. So we have the ID. The ID is 1. The name here we have John Doe in this record, and the email is john@email.com, at example.com, and we have this age, which is 25. Okay, so from there we know that we have our data there, and the ID is the one that we are going to use to access this record. Okay, so the ID is 1. Okay, so let us go back in VS Code. So in VS Code we have this code right here. So right here, so it looks like this. Here we connect to the database. Okay, we connect to the database. After connecting to the database, we go down here. All these are comments. Okay, all those are comments. The comments. Okay, so from there we fetch the data, but this one we don't need it. Let me comment it out. Let me comment all of that out. So after commenting all of that out, we are not going to fetch that data. We just want to update the data. Okay, so we are going to have only this code and the other one of connecting to the to MySQL, okay, database. So from there, here as you can see, we have MySQL here, SQL commands here. We have the update. We are updating users table, the users table, and we are setting the age, the age to be 30, where the ID equals to 1. Okay, so we are going to change the age to 30 where the ID is 1. Okay, so from there we are going to execute our query. Okay, so we are going to use the dollar connection, the dollar con object, and we access the query command. Here as you can see, the query we are executing a query, and inside here we are passing in our query. Okay, our query, and in this case it is SQL underscore update. Okay, that one. And if it is equals to true, remember it is going to execute. Remember this one executes our query and it returns true if it has been successful. Otherwise it returns false. And if it returns true, it means our query has been executed successfully. We are going to run a record updated successfully, which means our record has been updated, and then we shall go and check if the age is no longer 25, is now 30. Okay, and otherwise we are going to echo out error updating record. Okay, so this connection, this con is right here. Let me show you where we created it when we were creating a connection. It is right here. Okay, as you can see. So this is what we have in our file. So if I try to save, but before we execute, let us go back and we confirm. As you can see, we have, and the age is 25. Okay, so if I open this a new tab, a new window, and then I try, as you can see here, my site /index.php, as you can see right here. So if I try to refresh, let me refresh. As you can see, connected successfully, and as you can see here, record updated successfully. Okay, so which means our record has been updated. If we go back, as you can see, there is nothing. Okay, the age has not changed to 30. Okay, but if we try to come here and then we refresh, let us refresh, and if it finishes refreshing, as you can see, age is now 30. Okay, so we have successfully changed, updated. We have updated our data in this table, in this record, okay, in this table called users table. Okay, so that is it. That's how we can update. Okay, that's how we can update